Hi, and welcome back to the channel. On this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can save thousands on your diesel engine maintenance. Isn't just luck when on old engines you could do 200,000 miles, and on the modern engines you can only do 100. So I'm going to share with you 5 simple oil change tricks that you will make your diesel engine run so much healthy and for a lot more time without you spending a fortune on parts. And actually, point number five involves something that people usually do it backwards, and this is killing your diesel engine a lot more quicker. So let's start with the service schedule. And this one actually goes against what the owner's manual tells you. So change the oil every 5 to 8,000 miles. So the owner's manual may recommend 11, 12, even 18,000 miles, or even 20. But these intervals are designed for optimal conditions, which on the real life, it doesn't really happen. And it can clog all the components, EGRs, DPFs, you name it. So what happens when the oil loses all the properties? So it increases the friction, creates it gets really dark and creates this gunk, which can block all the channels inside of the engine. What we need to do about it? Well, that's quite simple. Change the oil in the filter a bit more often. So you do the maths. Which one is better? Rebuild the engine or change or do an oil in filter change more often? Now, talking about filters, we also advise to not reuse the actual oil filter. And you probably will ask why. So the reason why is, in theory, a used oil filter is partially blocked. Can you imagine a engine running with low oil pressure and all the internal components that need oil? For example, turbos, obviously the crankshaft, all those components would be running with low pressure. So again, it will increase the friction and it will end up damaging the components. The third trick is stay out of heavy traffic or short journeys whenever it's possible. Why? Because short trips will prevent diesel engines to reach optimal temperature and to evaporate the moisture and obviously clean the DPF. If you only do short journeys, you're going to end up with the DPF blocks, oil dilution faults, and EGR valve block. Now, once a week, take your diesel on a motorway trip for at least 30 minutes above 55 miles an hour. This way, the engine and the oil can reach the optimal temperature and get rid of the moisture and also burn all the soot and also activate the DPF regeneration. Before we get to the final two tricks, let me just share with you some signs that your current service schedule might not be working properly, and you might need to do the service sooner. Check closely your dipstick. If you see metal particles, this means excessive friction. So this is all means that your oil is breaking down too soon and probably lost all the anti-friction properties. So it's normal to be black. What's not normal is to become thick and creates like a tart. This means that your engine is probably in dangerous and the oil should flow freely. If it's too thick, that means that it's got excessive contamination and wrong viscosity. So, or your intervals are too long. So for the operation and the condition of the fifth, excessive oil consumption. If you are adding oil more frequently than before, this could mean that the oil contamination is too high. So, and it causes the increase of wear on the seals and on the piston rings, allowing the oil to escape on the combustion chamber. So, this all means that the engine is telling you to do the oil and filter change more frequently. Now, the final two tricks are the ones that would separate the average to the great diesel maintenance. So use the correct oil viscosity for your diesel engine needs. So we usually tend to choose the cheapest ones. However, just be aware you can increase dramatically the life of the diesel engine with the correct oil viscosity. If you tow regularly, if you live in extreme temperatures, or if your conditions are quite dusty, your synthetic oils are definitely an option. They are actually the ones capable of holding the anti-friction properties uh, much longer. Tip number 5, never drain the oil when the engine is cold. So engine cold means thick oil and does not flow properly. So you are literally losing the effectiveness of the oil change, leaving behind contaminated oil and particulates on the oil passages. Right, the correct way to do it is run the engine from between 1 to 5 minutes to warm up the oil. The oil needs to flow freely, but not burning hot. This way, you're going to be able to remove the majority of the contaminated properties. This way, you're going to be able to drain a lot more contaminated oil. This is also applies to the oil filter, nice and warm. It's a lot more easy to remove and a lot more easy to drain all the oil. So that being said, the diesel engine are capable of delivering a lot of torque with low RPM. But obviously they need some attention. And obviously, if you use these 5 tricks, I'm sure that you not going to be spending money and rebuilding engines. You're actually going to be saving money and having a diesel engine working very healthy for a lot longer. So I hope this video helps all the diesel engines owners. And feel free to comment down below and share your um, experiences. And see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.